5 secret ways that people cannot find whenever you're still not hit. 1. Go small. You're small now. Go inside here. That means nobody can find you if they will also get confused. So if they find you, you could just go to another place. 2. Follow me. This is where you're going. Up here, you will find this place. You're gonna go down and very down. Guys, this is actually not my secrets. You might think you might look good. I could be a bit go down here, okay? 3. Go in here, put your hand here. Oh wait, sorry, I can make mistakes. Hand here, and then jump, and then you're very high. Just where. This is how it works from up here. Right, I'm very high, but I'm not very that good, so that is how high I am. 4. So you're on computer. Yeah, I'm very, very strict. But you're inside computer. Look. You're actually writing. So look, if you're on computer, look. I'm doing work. We have a good idea. Hold on. So I'm writing. 5 is to make sure you like and subscribe.